Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tesla Tech Now. Just a quick video on the Cybertruck. We got a Cybertruck in our local Tesla dealership, and I popped in, asked them if I could take a little video. They said no problem, so it's just going to take you a couple minutes around the Cybertruck, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. And if you enjoy this content, please give a thumbs up and tell your friends, share the video, and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it, and thanks for watching.
All right, sitting in the Cybertruck. This is pretty sweet. Let's press that button to open the door. So we press the little light. That makes a button. It's got a little bit of pressure to it. Got a back screen, that's pretty sweet. Perforated seats, similar to my Model 3. I've got a 2024 Tesla Model 3. It's got the back screen, not as big as that one actually. That's a little bit bigger, and that screen up there is a little bit wider than mine. There's your plugins on the back left. I'm not going to mess with the tonneau cover. That's probably where the tonneau cover is. Let's move the cameras. It's actually a button that you press. So it's not just the light, it's actually a button. And check that out. Cybertruck. Just a plastic piece, but it looks still really cool. Looks like it's what do you call that? There's the pedals. It's got a lot of open space down here. Love the steering wheel. This has got a nice touch to it.